Hey, today is Wednesday. Happy hump day. So I'm breaking my fast. It's 3:58. I have me some uncured turkey bacon. I don't believe there's no sugar in it, from Crowd Cow. And then I have me some avocado I mashed up with some lemon juice, a pinch of minced garlic, some salt, pepper, sea salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. And then this is my protein shake from Equip or Perfect Keto, one of them. Their protein shake and chocolate. This would be pretty good if they didn't add so much stevia. I do not like the taste of stevia, and it's very heavy, so I did put some coconut sugar in it that's low glycemic, and a banana. But the taste still is just like, ooh. But anyway, this is what I'm breaking my fast with. So I'll be back with dinner. Hey, just wanted to show y'all what I'm cooking for my boys. If y'all know, this meat is from Crowd Cow. So this is some pork stir fry from one of the farms, and it's really good. It's tender, it's not rubbery. And how I cooked it was I cooked it down in some avocado oil. Once it got ready, I drained it and then put the onions and peppers in, which are both organic. And then I put some hoisin sauce on it to give it a little bit of taste. And so they're gonna have a salad with this, and I made some yellow rice last night. So this is what they're gonna eat. I'll let them go ahead and eat first, and if it's enough, then I'll get me some and put my vegetables with it. See you soon. Hey everybody, so it's dinner time for me. It is 10:03. If you saw my earlier video, I broke my fast with a protein shake, some turkey bacon from Crowd Cow, and I made a little guacamole. And then after I had that, maybe 10-15 minutes, I had some of my pistachios. And so now I'm going to eat dinner. So I didn't fix my duck leg quarters. My sons did not eat all of the pork stir fry. So I got this is about 7 ounces or so. And I did cut up some more onions and peppers because there wasn't much of that left in there. And then the little bits that you see there is the miracle rice. And so I do like these. I got these from Natural Grocers, but they do sell the rice, I believe, at Target. It is low in calories. It's plant-based. It tastes good. Here's the nutrition facts. So it's basically 3 total carbs, but if you take out the fiber, it's 0 carbs, net carbs. It's only 10 calories. It says 2.5. I use the whole bag. So let me see. This is 8 ounces, so it's 10 calories for 3 ounces. So what is it, 8 ounces? So it's about 36 6.5 ounces. So it's 25 calories, if my math is correct. And some of them don't have the citric acid. Some people don't like the citric acid. I don't have a problem with it. They do have some noodles that have lime water and the konjac flour. So you just gotta find it. With this one, you just rinse it off and put it in a pan to dry out. And then you mix it with whatever you're gonna mix it with. Some of them, you have to rinse it out with water. You have to rinse it with water and then put it in boiling water. This one, you just rinse it off with cool water for about a minute or so and toss it into the pan. So it just depends on which brand you find, and just read the directions. And so this is, again, pork stir fry. Excuse my forgetfulness. But yeah, this pork stir fry that I get from Crowd Cow. I got one more bag left. I didn't order any for this month. I don't know, just didn't want to. And I'm mad they didn't have any more of my beef stir fry. I had only ordered 2 bags and they sold out of it. Hopefully it'll be in my next order, but that order will be coming tomorrow, Thursday. So watch out for that video this week. And I will talk to you later. Peace. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday. Tonight I'm having tacos. My bootleg. I need to get one of those taco holders. But these are beef tacos. I don't want to put my hand on it to pick it up because then I have stuff all over. But these are beef tacos with some shallots and red pepper cooked into it. I use the Siete taco seasoning. The Siete brand is really good because it's grain-free. They use really good ingredients. These are the Siete taco shells. If you're low carb, you probably, if you're keto, you probably won't use them. But if you're paleo or just low carb, it's not a, it's a good option. They are grain-free. They use decent, really good ingredients. Bobby Parrish used in his family, their keto paleo family, and so he goes to the grocery stores and tell you what's approved, what's not. I have some coleslaw mix under here. I didn't mix it with anything. It's just the cabbage and lettuce mix. Some Fage. They make sour cream. It's really thick, but I do like the Fage brand. And then some guacamole I made with, of course, Hass avocados, some minced garlic, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, a tad bit of extra virgin olive oil, and some fresh lemon juice from a Meyer lemon. I love Meyer lemons because they're so juicy and they're great to cook with and stuff. And the beef is Wagyu ground beef. And then in here is just my romaine, green romaine, not just the hearts, onion, cherry tomato, duck bacon crumbled, cucumber, and then my salad dressing. And and boysenberry cheese. So that is what's in. And a little salt and pepper to give it some taste. So that's what's in my salad right here. So tacos, they don't look the best because they all leaned over. I'm going to get me a taco shell holder and then a salad. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello, everybody. Happy hump day. Whew. Y'all just got my life today. So I started off on a good day. My son had basketball practice. And so I said, you know what, instead of being lazy like I've been the last couple of months, let me put my workout clothes on and go jump start. So that's what I did. I ran the bleachers, did my little thing, walked 2 laps around the track. When I came back, I did about 30 minutes all total. My body was just sick. I had made me a protein smoothie and I had to lay down because it seriously felt like I was about to throw up. So I laid in the bed for about a good 30 minutes. And then I got up and had my smoothie. So now I'm eating my meal. It's 6:30. If I get hungry again, I'll have me some of my collard green gumbo because I still got a lot of that left, and a collagen coffee. But what we have here is just a huge salad with romaine lettuce, some duck bacon I cooked and then put it in the food processor to crumble up, some cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and onion, and a Caesar salad. I think it's Cindy Hunt. I can't remember. And then right here I have some chicken wings that I put in the air fryer and I coated them with the Pork King pork rind crumbs. I did put a little bit of my home honey from the guy that I got the homemade honey from. maybe like a tablespoon. And then some red hot sauce, and I just kind of mixed it all together. And then I have my little keto, paleo, I think it's Miss Cindy blueberry muffin. I guess nobody liked them because it was 3 left. So that is what I'm having today. And so if I don't see y'all back later, I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.